Hi guys, long time no see. Okay, so I have been really into geometric eyes and shapes and stuff, and I have this sketch that we're gonna try to do. We're gonna do this side. I've done this side already. We're gonna make a bunch of shapes around our eyes. Almost. So I'm gonna hydrate, and I'm gonna use my Pixie Rose Cream. I'm gonna try this new method that's been going around on doing your foundation, and I tried it twice so far and I really like it, so we're gonna do that again today. I'm gonna take my primer of choice. This is a hydrating primer from kvdveganbeauty. I'm only gonna put a pump and focus this in the center of my face. I want my skin to look pretty flawless with this makeup that we're gonna do. So we need to make sure our face is nice and hydrated. Okay, so after you apply your primer, you're going to set it with a translucent powder, and this is the KVD translucent setting powder. I'm only going to take a little bit. And I'm going to brush this really lightly on my face. I don't want too much. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. Pro Filter foundation, sorry about that. And I'm going to use the shades 120 and 190. So I'm just going to take a damp beauty blender. It works best if you use a damp beauty blender than just a dry brush. And I have my foundation on this palette. I'm just going to pick it up like this. And we're going to start in the center. It comes out really flawless when you do it this way. I've never tried it like this ever before, to put the powder before you put your foundation. So it's like crazy. The first time I was trying it, I was like messing up, because you like automatically want to put the foundation on your face first. And for concealer, I'm going to take the KVD Lock-It Creme, and this is L5 Neutral. And I'm going to use this to brighten more areas of my face. Here, I have a little spot right in the center of my face. Cheekbone. A little bit on my chin. I'll do some on my nose. I'm just going to take the same sponge and tap this into place. It's going to really brighten and lift our face. KVD contour palette. Well, haven't used this in a while, but this. I'm going to go with this shade here and dip into this one a little bit. And I'm going to use this little baby brush. So I'm just going to grab both of them and mix it. Let's see. I haven't cream contoured in forever. This feels weird. Yeah. Want some right here. I want on my nose. bit under my lower lip. Usually I either contour or I don't contour. I'll like just bronze my cheeks a teeny bit because it could look quite harsh. I feel like on my skin I'd rather have blush on than contour. So I'm gonna use a brush to blend this in. I don't want to get my beauty blender with this on so I could be able to like buff them out together. Yeah, there we go. Give some type of dimension to my face. It's looking extremely white on camera. For contour, highlight, and blush, I'm going to use this Pixie Summer Glow Palette. And I'm going to dip into this shade here. Just a little bit. Okay, and then I highlight. After I contour, I highlight. It's just my preference. You don't have to. And I'm going to use this shade in the middle. It's like a regular light cream highlight. Just make little C's around your eyes. You get to highlight the top part of your brow to the highest point of your cheek. Cupid's bow. Teeny bit on my chin. A little bit on the very top part of my nose. Down the center. Inner corners. And for blush, I'm gonna grab this shade here mixed with this one. And put this right in the middle of my contour and my highlight. And on my nose. I'm gonna brush a little bit on my forehead too for some color. Just gonna go back in with the highlight. And I like to do the little sides of my nostrils. Now our face is done. Last step is setting spray. A nice amount of setting spray. And all you gotta do is wait for this to dry and you're gonna see like, wow. Your face is gonna look really nice and smooth. And this is what it looks like right after. Okay, so for brows, I'm going to take the Super Brow, and this is in dark brown. Okay, brows are check. I'm just gonna clean them up with the same concealer. This is the Lock-It concealer in Ale5 Neutral. And I'm taking a very long flat brush and I just swipe it a couple times on here and get the tail mostly nice and clean. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Shake Primer from KVD. And I'm gonna use a little baby dot and pat this on my eye. And under. And I'm gonna take Milani's Gilded Ember palette. It looks like this inside. And I'm gonna be going into the shades here. Okay, so now that I've applied the darker shade, I'm going to pick up this peachy color here. I'm going to place it right on the edges of our dark color. And same thing under my eye. and I'm going to dip into this orange and yellow, and I'm just going to be pulling this out. And I'm going to go back in with the top. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to start in here. I want to use this. It's gonna be hard. I'm gonna take the Go Big or Go Home mascara. I'm gonna take Black Moon's Carina lashes. I'm gonna use Haus Labs matte lip crayon, and this is the shade Le Monster. Now I'm gonna get Haus Labs lip gloss and the Riot. Just gonna layer this over, and this is the finished look. My little geometric shapes and a triangle inner corner, whatever you'd want to call this kind of look. Yeah. So this is it. I like it a lot. It came out pretty much exactly how I envisioned it, except for the two I had to take off. I didn't like how it looked. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this look and try it out. Let me know, like, do you like this kind of looks? What kind of looks you want to see? Yeah, thank you.